মার সাথে আসছিলাম, নৌকা উঠছিলাম।
ও সেটা তো বলতে পারি না, দেখতে হবে। আমার ডানে গেলে লেকটা আছে, লেক, একটা লেকের কথা বলছো না? হ্যাঁ, ডানে গেলে লেকটা। সাইকেল আসতেছে, সাইকেলগুলো চলে যাক। আম্মু 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 ওই আম্মু পিছনে আসো, আসো এবার। তোমার কেমন লাগছে আজকে আম্মু? হ্যাঁ বলো বলো, বাংলায় বলো, ইংলিশে বলো।
ভালো লাগতেছে, বাট বৃষ্টি।
I know. This is Central Park, guys. I don't know what it is, but rain just follows me everywhere. We had rain when we went to Madrid. We had rain when we went to Lisbon. And now in New York City, it's raining. How do you feel, Ammu? Huh?
I feel good, but it is raining.
Do you like the rain or not?
No.
You don't like it? Well, I think maybe left. Let's take a look at it. Huh? Oh. What's up there? Let's. Oh, wait, that's the castle. Yeah, let's go. Hey, Asho. This is the Shakespeare Garden. Very gloomy day. I know. But we are trying to find this castle, Belvedere Castle, which I think let's go. I don't know, এটা এভাবে করে পেঁচায় পুচের উপরে যায়। Come. This is a nice garden, but doesn't look that nice since it's getting dark. Oh, this way. Yeah, we're leaving. We're gonna leave. Let's go. Ooh, that's a cool sundial. Marshall? হ্যাঁ পারবা? এই দেখো এটা 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 একটা ঘড়ি, সান ডায়াল বলে এটাকে। সূর্যের শ্যাডো পড়লে এটা বলে দেয় কয়টা বাজে। এই সূর্যটা ঘুরে না এই চারিদিকে, তো এইটা শ্যাডোটা যেভাবে পড়বে সেভাবে বোঝা যাবে কয়টা বাজে। আচ্ছা আসো আম্মু। আমি চলে আসছি এটা পিছলা আসো। It's okay. আছে জায়গা আছে, আমি দেখাই দিব। My mom is like, are we gonna get down? I'm like, Ma, don't worry. No, look, it's the same place. We were there. That's the bathroom. Look. Look, here's your castle. Hey, look, come. Yeah, that's the castle. Belvedere Castle. এখানে আসার তো অনেক জায়গা আছে, আমরা পেঁচাই পুচে আসছি আর কি। Let's go. সূর্য থাকলে আরো সুন্দর হতো না? Have you ever been here before? Never?
No.
Do you think Central Park is pretty?
Yes.
Do you feel like you're in a city when you're in this park?
No.
Are you gonna come here by yourself?
No.
Alright, let's check it out. Huh? হ্যাঁ ওখানে কি বসতে পারবো? This is the Belvedere Castle. Let's see if we can get up, Mom. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Oh, hello, hi. Martha.
Yes, you're welcome to go up to the next level. The
All
very
right.
top is closed.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
Enjoy the view. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
কই যাবি রাখি?
Is it castle উপর?
The Colosseum.
Yeah. What's up? This entrance is closed. Wow, look at that. This is a great view. See, Amuda? That's so nice. So we are at the top of the Belvedere Castle. Yeah. Ma. ওখানে বসানো ছবি তুলে। That's okay.
ময়লা।
উপরে দাঁড়া। আচ্ছা পারবো, আমি না পারলে থাক। Yo, she's a trooper, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. No, আমার এই ক্যামেরা দিয়ে তুলি। So it kind of sucks that it's winter and it gets dark really soon. I'm more. 3, 2, 1. One more. One more. 3, 2, 1. Mask level. Okay. Ready? Alright, let's take a selfie. Yo, she's like, screw you, I don't need help. No? Oh wow, look at this, guys. Oh, that's a theater. They have like
Open theater.
yeah, open theater. Have live music or other stuff.
পর্যটক না তুই পর্যটক
Me too, every time I'm with this camera, yeah. But দেখো আম্মু, আমরা এত বছর থাকছি এখানে, আমরা কখনো এইসব জায়গায় ঘুরি নাই, রাইট? হ্যাঁ, কারণ আমরা জীবন নিয়ে ব্যস্ত ছিলাম, রাইট? তো তুমি আসতে পারো না এভাবে? হ্যাঁ আম্মু, সেলফোন, GPS, হ্যাঁ? It has started raining quite a bit.
আমরা এখন দিয়ে গেছিলাম ওইটা
ওই আমরা ওদিক দিয়ে হেঁটে আসছি, ওই রাস্তাগুলো দেখতেছো? Those everything we walked. Do you like this place? This is a nice place, right?
Yeah.
But they usually have the other floor open too, but not today. কি করবো আম্মু?
আজান দিছে
নেমে যাবো?
নামাজ পড়বো কোন জায়গায়?
কেন করবো না? চলো নিচে গিয়ে দেখি। Okay. নামতে পারবো? আস্তে আস্তে পারবো? Yeah, just like Coliseum. That is so cool. Let's go to that mini Coliseum. Come on, come on. Oh, it's raining. I'm chati lagi. হ্যাঁ, এটা গিফট শপ।
ওরা কখন এখান থেকে বের হবে? বাইরে কেন যাবে বাসা?
চিনি না, ওরা এখানে কি একদিন ধরে চাকরি করে? লোক আমি দিয়ে আসি, তোমাকে ম্যাপটা দেখে। Let's look at the map. So we entered through here. Okay? Yeah, we entered through here. We went around the lake, right? And then now we're here. বুঝছো?
চলেন আমরা বাইরে।
হ্যাঁ? ওদিকে কি আছে দেখি। Let's see what's out there. It's the lower level.
নামবো কেমন এখন?
এই যে দিদি নামবো। আমরা তো দিদি আসছি। চলো। যেদিক দিয়ে সেদিক দিয়ে যাবো না?
দিদিকে যাও। নামাজটা পড়ে ফেলতে পারতো না সেখানে।
হ্যাঁ? এখানে বসে পড়তে পারবো? হ্যাঁ। Guys, what can I say? As I said, it's just my luck. My bad luck. Wherever I go, I take the rain with me, and it's raining. I wanted to spend an afternoon with my mom, and it is raining. But we did get to see a castle. That's the Belvedere castle over there. It's free of charge. You can go up. There's like 2 stories, and the very top one was closed for, I don't know what the reason was, but we got to go to one of the floors, and it was nice. You get to see a nice view of the whole lake and the park. And now my mom's praying Maghrib, and after that we're gonna walk back towards the train station and maybe grab a cup of coffee. But I guess a little tour of Central Park. Central Park is huge. When I say a little tour, I cannot just give anyone a little tour of Central Park. There's way too many paths, way too many things to cover, but I believe they have these boxes to call the police. So you open it up and then lift the phone, press the red button once, and then speak clearly to the operator. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know if it works, but there are these things here if you're in trouble. I would not recommend people coming here around this time by themselves, because it is kind of sketchy. It is a big city. Mugging happens, you know, so just be aware of your surroundings. Do not walk, you know, and with your headphones on, because then you don't know who's coming up behind you, right? But yep, I guess I shouldn't be speaking too loudly since my mom is praying. But all right, we'll keep walking. So guys, we are in a tiny grocery store in the middle of Manhattan where everything is super expensive. Organic Honeycrisp apples are $8 a pound. Olive oil. It's some tiny convenience store. You want anything, Mom? No? Eggplant. This super expensive compared to, I guess, what I eat. And also, I mean, this is in Manhattan, that's why it is so expensive, right? Huh? You got marmalade. You got everything here. Mango. Oh my god, mangoes are $5 each. Gotta be kidding me. Well, time to get out of here. so many cops. Oh, what do you think? That grocery store was very expensive, right? Would you pay $18 for almond butter?
No.
Why not? You think it's too expensive?
Yeah.
It's unfair? It shouldn't be that expensive, right? It's cheaper in Whole Foods, right?